He needs his brakes adjusted. He's pretty far out right now. He said one side's working really well, one side's not. And I think it's because this has like almost an 1/8 of an inch gap on just on this one side. See if they're working better now. Adjusted them out a little bit more. I'm gonna go a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna test them and then see what the spacing looks like. Front passenger side. There we go, yeah, we're locked up now. These ones actually look adjusted pretty nice. I'm gonna click it out just a couple times. Our brake's adjusted. This brake is not working. And powered directly to the wiring. I cut it down. Let's see if the brakes are gonna work. If they don't, oh, they do. Okay, cool. We need to know where the brake and the wire is though. Maybe it's just this wiring in general. It looks like it got hot too. We know the brake's working. And I'm getting an intermittent connection on this stuff. So I'm gonna change this wire that was on this tubing. Run a new line across this. You can see where it got hot multiple times on that wiring. Hopefully that's the main issue for connection. I'll look up there, see if it got hot on there. I got wired into the main line. Nothing looks fried up on the top. This driver's side rear has a really thin pad on the rear of this backing plate. The brakes are working though. It's all adjusted up. Spinning, brakes on, locked up, brake is off, back to free spinning. Passenger side rear, brakes on, brakes off. The magnet's just not grabbing as much as I'd like it to. Put a new breakaway switch on. His lanyard was all messed up and the inside switch was nasty and doesn't work. It doesn't touch together. Driver's side front actually looks pretty good. So I'm gonna see if the brakes work. It's free spinning. I'm just gonna pull the breakaway and see if it works. Breakaway's on. Yep, that one works great. Breakaway's off. Back to free spinning. Sweet, breakaway works. I just need to get a new battery for him. All the wiring's cleaned up on the front. I put a new frame ground here and we're back. Throw a new battery inside. New breakaway battery is in, all wired up. Breakaway is on, locked up. Breakaway is off. Back to free spinning. Cool, everything works. Tail lights are on. I know there's some tail lights back here that got smashed. Some smashed on the ground, I think. That was it, now they all work. Our marker lights down here are good. Let's check left turn, right turn. Left turn's on and working, one of them's not working, so we'll fix that. Now brakes on both passenger side rear work and blinkers are working. This is the same circuit. Driver's side turn and driver's side stop is working. The plug just came undone. All right, now his marker lights work. This one was bad. Looks like the bulb got really hot and blew out. Other one, also the same thing, so I swapped it out with an LED. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on and working. I see the rundown on this. New breakaway. His plug is totally fine. 7-way's fine. His breakaway battery was bad, so I went and swapped out his breakaway battery. Now everything works. Whole system works. Left turn, right turn works now. Had to do a little bit of wiring work on the back. All marker lights work. I swapped 2 LED marker lights in the front. I put one 6-inch LED in the back for him. All of his brakes are adjusted. He's got some thin pads on his driver's side rear, and I think his magnet is just a little weak on his passenger side rear. Everything else is good. This job's done. I'm on to the next.